Hi everyone, good morning. Today video is going to see hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bonding is one of the most important natural phenomena occurring in chemical and biological science. This interaction play a major role in the structure of proteins and DNA. DNA means deoxyribonucleic acid. Deoxyribonucleic acid. When a hydrogen atom is covalently bonded to a highly electronegative atom, such as a fluorine or hydrogen or nitrogen, the bond is polarized. Due to this effect, the polarized hydrogen atom is able to form a weak electrostatic interaction with another electronegative atom present in the vicinity. This interaction is called as a hydrogen bond and is donated by dotted lines. Hydrogen bond and is donated by dotted lines. What is hydrogen bonding? Hydrogen bonding interactions involving a hydrogen atom located between a pair of other atoms having a high affinity for electrons. Such a bond is weaker than an ionic bond or covalent bond but stronger than van der Waals force. It is weaker than covalent bond, less than 100 Kelvin joule per mole, but stronger than the van der Waals interactions, greater than 20 Kelvin joule per mole. Hydrogen bond has performed effect on various physical properties including vapor pressure, boiling point, miscibility, surface tensions, density, viscosity, heat of vaporization and fusion, etc. Hydrogen bond can occur within a molecule and between two molecules of same type or different type. Intermolecular hydrogen bonding, intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Intermolecular hydrogen bond. Intermolecular hydrogen bond are those which occurs within a single molecules. Intermolecular hydrogen bond occurs within a single molecule. For example, orthonitrophenone salicylaldehyde. Intermolecular hydrogen bonding. See the structure. Intramolecular hydrogen bond. Intramolecular hydrogen bond occurs between two separate molecules. Intermolecular within a single molecule. Intramolecular hydrogen bond occurs between two separate molecules. Then can occurs between any number of like or unlike molecules as long as hydrogen donor and acceptor are present in position with enable the hydrogen bonding interaction. And each atom is surrounded tetrahedral by four water molecules through hydrogen bonds. That is the presence of two hydrogen atoms and two lone pair of electron on oxygen atom in each water molecule allows formation of a three-dimensional structure. This arrangement created as open structure which accounts for the lower density of ice compared with water at 0 degrees Celsius. While in liquid water, unlike ice water hydrogen bonding occurs over a long range, the stronger hydrogen bonding provides only a short range and therefore the denser packing. See the structure of ice. Water molecules form stronger hydrogen bond with another. For example, each water molecule is linked to four others through hydrogen bonds. The shorter distance 100 pm correspond to covalent bond. Shorter distance correspond to covalent bonds and longer distance correspond to hydrogen bond. Dotted lines. See this picture, hydrogen bonding in water. Shorter distance corresponding to covalent bond, solid lines. 104.5 degree solid lines. On longer distance correspond to hydrogen bond, dotted lines. Dotted lines. Then hydrogen bonding in water. Hydrogen bonding in DNA molecules. See the picture. Hydrogen bond occurs not only in simple molecules but also in complex biomolecules such as protein, and they are critical for biological process. The example, for example, hydrogen bonds play an important role in the structure of deoxyribonucleic acid. Deoxyribonucleic acid, DNA. DNA deoxyribonucleic acid, since they hold together the two helical nucleic acid chains. Today fourth lesson is completed. Tomorrow go to fifth lesson. Thank you.